Yeah, drew bass with an old white chalk. Mailbox foul pole, don't hit the block. Tennis ball bat cracked and light. Sunburned days to porch light night. Front yard baseball dreams, big league hopes and worn out jeans. Counting clouds for cheering fans, World Series in our hands. Yeah, we swung hard, we believe. Front yard baseball dreams. Mama yelling, dinner's cold. One more inning, we yelled back bold. Broken window, nervous grin. Grandma laughed, said let 'em win. We were legends by supper time. Every loss still felt like mine. Front yard baseball dreams, cardboard trophies, borrowed cleats. No contracts, no TV screens, just dust, sweat, and teenage schemes. Now the grass is trimmed too neat. Kids play games on glowing screens. I drive by slow, tap the brakes, hear the crowd we used to make. That bat's still hanging in the shed, jersey number Sharpie red. We swore we'd make it out someday. Funny how life chose a different play. Front yard baseball dreams still chase me when I sleep. Every swing still feels the same, even if I never played the game. Yeah, I grew up, but part of me still lives in those front yard baseball dreams. If heaven's real, I hope it seems like front yard baseball dream. Pink and gold on open skies. We made wishes, told no lies. Thought the world was soft and true. Under cotton candy skies of you, I still slow down when day turns blue. Watching colors fade on cue. Older now, but I still find that same sky inside my mind. Cotton candy skies of youth held our dreams without the proof. Every hope was light and loose, floating free, not scared to lose. Bike tires hum on empty roads. Summer nights and radio. We named stars we couldn't keep. promised things we meant that we didn't know when daylight died. We'd lose that easy side. Cotton candy skies of you melted down but left a hue. Even now when days feel tight, they still soften up the night. If I could stand there once again, with hands too small for doubt, I thank the sky for teaching me what letting go's about. Count to 10, don't turn around. Straw in hair, boots on ground. Holding breath till voices break. Hide and seek in the hay balers. Barn feels bigger when it's quiet. Dust don't laugh the way it did. I step slow where we once ran, still here ready or not. Funny how the waiting part hits the heart. Hide and seek in the hay bale, sun slipping low. Winning wasn't being found, it was not going home. Footsteps close, I'd bite my grin. Hey, it chaunt my shins and skin. We'd switch sides, bend the rules, just to stretch the afternoon. Hide and seek in the hay bale, hearts beating loud. Learn how quiet can be brave in a world of sound. If I ever missed the kid who didn't rush the day, I remember hiding just long enough to want to stay. Those hide and seek hay bale days still call me slow. saying some of life's best moments happen unseen, you know. Counting stops, laughter fades, game lives on in haze. Dusty sunbeam through the old barn door, Grandpa's hat on the hook, worn and tore. I remember sitting on the porch swing slow, and his stories in that gentle flow. Old hands resting on the brim of his hat, telling me tales of how life was bad. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Creek still whispers where we used to play. His laugh echoes softly in the end of days. That hat's a shadow of his steady hand. A piece of him still walks across this land. Time moves on, the barn gets old, but that worn hat keeps his warmth untold. I tip it back, remember all he gave. Grandpa's wisdom, his love, the life he paid. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Wind whispers through the old backyard, quilt flutters in the morning sun. Grandma's quilt on the line Patch by patch, stitch by stitch, colors faded, edges worn, yet every square still tells a story rich. I remember her humming softly, rocking chair creaking slow, while the morning light danced over seams and the autumn leaves would blow. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight, every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Running through the yard with bare feet, chasing shadows in the sun. We'd hide beneath the quilt's folds, laughing, pretending we'd won. The smell of cotton and warmth of home etched deep in my mind. Moments like these in the quiet wind are treasures hard to find. The quilt may fray, the colors fade, but her love remains in every thread she made. Hanging now for the world to see, a symbol of home and who I'll always be. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight, every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Even in the wind, her love lingers, stitched into every fold. Every fold. Just dancing in the light, wooden desks and borrowed time, names and dates on fading boards, felt like forever back before. Chalk dust memories on my hand, in my head. Lessons more than numbers are the ones I never read. Hallway echoes call my name, lockers rust but feel the same. I passed that school on my way home. Slow down more than I let on. Funny smallest sign. Teach us the longest line. Miss the bus, erase mistakes, love notes folded in my book. Learn to laugh, learn to wait, learn more than the test we took. Chalk dust memories, smudge the years, but stay. Every wrong and every right still graze me to this day. If I could raise my hand again and ask what matters most, I thank those days for teaching me what they never wrote. Clean, ain't clear, but they still outline the shape of how I ended up here. Bell rings once, then fades away, but the lesson stays. Faded hearts and crooked lines, half a sun, a crooked sign. Rain don't know what it erased, chalk on the sidewalk faded. Street looks wider than before, new paint on the neighbor's door. I step careful where we once played, like I might smudge yesterday. Funny how the lightest hand leaves a mark you can't defend. Chalk on the sidewalk faded, but I still see the art. Every line we ever drew still coloring my heart. Hopscotch dreams and counting feet, summer heat on concrete streets. We believed those stick figure plans could outlast the rain. Chalk on the sidewalk faded, wasn't meant to stay, just a borrowed bit of magic for a younger day. If I could draw one thing again before the storm comes through, I'd sketch a door that always leads back home to you. The chalk on the sidewalk faded, taught me what is true. Some things aren't meant forever, just long enough to move you. Rain dries up, lines are gone, memories live on. dust in the air, late afternoon. Cardboard boxes, old perfume. I found your name in crooked ink, and every word made time stand still. A letter found in the attic said the things you never said. Folded dreams and second chances, written long before we bled. The house is quiet, roof still leaks. Same old creaks along the stairs. I wonder if you ever knew I'd end up finding you up there. Some truths wait until it's too late. You roll out leaving in the spring, chasing work in younger days. Said you'd come back before the frost, but life got in the way. A letter found in the attic, yellowed lines, a steady hand. I heard your voice between the words, trying hard to be a man. If I'd known you needed grace more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home. Instead of reading this goodbye. If I'd known you needed grace more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home. Instead of reading this goodbye, I folded it slow, then let it be. Some love waits to set us free. Back and forth on the creaking floor, evening light through the screen door. Every sway hums an old refrain. Grandpa's rocking chair sings again. Chair still there by the window pane, paint worn thin, but it feels the same. I sit a while, let the world slow down, listen close to that gentle sound. Funny how the quiet knows things no sermon ever told. Grandpa's rocking chair song never needed words. Taught me how to wait my turn and listen more than heard. He'd rock soft with a knowing smile, say stay put, let it take a while. Didn't preach, didn't raise his tone, let the silence lead me home. Grandpa's rocking chair song played from dusk till dawn. Every creak a lesson learned on how to carry on. If I ever rush too fast or forget what matters true, I slow my steps and hear that chair rock me back to you. That grandpa's rocking chair song still rocks me today, teaching me the strength it takes to move slow on the way. Night moves in, chair sways long, time hums low, a song. Morning rain on red clay ground, barefoot tracks go weaving round. Sun comes up, dries what it can, leaves a mark on every man. Footprints in the red clay don't wash clean away. Every step I ever took still knows my name. Road looks paved where dirt once ran, same old hill, a different plan. I slowed down where I used to race, let the past set my pace. Funny how the ground still sees who we're trying to be. We'd run hard till our legs were sore, leave our prints by the creek bank shore. Didn't know the earth would keep every promise made in a leap. Footprints in the red clay, side by side and crossed. Every fall, every stand shows what it cost. If I ever doubt the road or wonder where I've been, I look down at where I started and remember when. I look down at where I started and remember when. Those footprints in the red clay ain't stuck in yesterday. They're the map that leads me home when I've lost my way. stays red, steps fade slow but lit. Yellowed smile, corners bent, light caught still in 79, slid between a prayer and amen. A Polaroid, Sunday sun through stained glass blue. I don't kneel the way I used to, but I open up that book again, and there you are. Funny how the holiest things don't say a thing. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, smiling back, prove that love once lived right here in between the cracks. Church steps after morning rain, lace dress, daddy's hand. Someone said, hold still a sec, and froze that day. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, time can't fade, keeps the faith in ordinary days safe. If I ever lose my way or doubt what's true, I find that picture tucked away, and I remember you. Soft, the light turns low, picture stays wherever I go. Checkered cloth on summer grass, lemonade in cloudy glass, church bells fading down the road, nobody's in a hurry. It's a Sunday picnic song where the day goes slow, every laugh's a harmony we don't need to know. I drive by that riverside, trees still ain't the same. I drive by that riverside, trees still ain't the same. I park a while and close my eyes, Hear mama call my name. Funny how the quiet days end up staying. Fried chicken wrapped in paper thin. Kids run wild, shoes kicked in. Daddy hums an old refrain. Radio low, sky wide open. That Sunday picnic song plays soft and strong, teaching us the simple truth that being there was enough. If I could bottle afternoons, I'd keep this one, where love didn't say a thing, it just showed up. That's a Sunday picnic song, still sings along. Whenever life gets louder, I come back where I belong. Blanket folded, sun dips low, song stays playing soft and slow. Countertop, radio low, never stops. Morning sun through lace curtains, teaching time how to soften. Grandma's apron strings tie the world to me. Every night was love I didn't have to see. Opera unfolded in a drawer, kitchen quieter than before. Still I swear I feel her near when I tie mine standing here. Funny how the smallest thread pull you home instead. I took twice when days fell long. She'd hum half a gospel song. Didn't know what safe could be till those strings were holding me. Grandma's apron strings wiped my tears in hands, taught me how to face the world by how she'd stand. If I ever lose my way or forget how kindness claims, I remember who I am by those worn out strings. Those grandma's apron strings never let me go. Even now they're guiding me more than they'll ever know. Naught comes loose, love still brings. Home feels like strings. countertop, radio low, never stops. Morning sun through lace curtains, teaching time how to soften. Grandma's apron strings tie the world to me. Every night was love I didn't have to see. Apron folded in a drawer, kitchen quieter than before. Still I swear I feel her near when I tie mine standing here. Funny how the smallest thread can pull you home instead. I tucked twice when days fell long. She'd hum half a gospel song. Didn't know what safe could be till those strings were holding me. Grandma's apron strings wiped my tears in hands, taught me how to face the world by how she'd stand. If I ever lose my way or forget how kindness claims, I remember who I am by those worn out strings. Those grandma's apron strings never let me go. Even now they're guiding me more than they'll ever know. Knot comes loose, love still brings, home feels like strings. Jar of light by the river bend, summer nights will never end. We carved the dark with open hand, back when life was just a plan. Fireflies as long ago lit up paths we didn't know. Every wish we let them go still glows inside my soul. Now the nights are quiet still, porch light hums on broken dreams. Kids don't chase the dark no more, or maybe that's just me. Barefoot running through the yard, mama yelling don't go far, laughing till the moon got tired. We were young and wired with fire, didn't know those sparks would fade or come back this way. Fireflies long ago taught us how to shine, then go. Little lights in mason jars made us feel like shooting stars. If I could catch one more tonight, I'd wish for less regret. Let it glow, then set it free, like everything I never cared. Fed off flies from long ago, still know places I don't show. When the world feels cold and slow, they remind me who I was. One by one, they dim the sky, never say goodbye. Wooden steps and a single bolt, dust and beams, the air gone still. One small wheel won't turn no more. In the attic, a broken toy truck in the attic, rusted red, hauled my dreams from room to room before I knew where I was headed. Boxes labeled keeping old, funny what we never sold. I hold it like it might still run if I believe enough. Funny how the smallest things outlast everything. Gravel drive in the afternoon, dirt pack roads inside my room. I'd crash it once, then tape it twice. Swore it'd be just fine. A broken toy truck in the attic, never quit. It taught me how to carry on with a crooked wheel and grit. If I go in the years back slow and set that axle straight, I'd still let it break the same, so I'd learn how to wait. Mountain toy truck in the attic still rolls on, and every road I've ever taken since that day was gone. Light clicks off, the dust settles down, wheels rest quiet, but the road's around. Turned up sorrel, evening chill, fence posts leaning by their wheel. Names we spoke then laid aside, where the roots in silence hide. Buried by the fence row, no one looks around. Some things don't need a marker to stay in the ground. I walk the line where we still grow, count the steps from long ago. Don't say much, just let it be. Ground remembers more than me. Funny how the dirt still knows what the heart won't show. Daddy said some things don't last, dug that hole and turned his back. I was young, I didn't ask, just learned how silence acts. Buried by the fence row, with prayers we never said. Some truths live their whole damn lives between the living and the dead. cloud ever hits that spot and it brings it all to light, I hope the sun knows how to hold what we buried out of sight. They're buried by the fence road, ain't shame, it's time. Just a chapter laid to rest on the far side of the line. Wind goes still, crows don't sound, fence row keeps the ground. Fresh white lines in the morning sun, covering scars we can't outrun. Same old boards, different shade, fences painted white again. I walk the yard with a borrowed brush. Quiet house, but the paint smells new. Every stroke brings back a voice saying, son, some things are up to you. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Summer days in cut-off jeans, Dad laughed loud, Mom kept time. We dripped paint on the grass, swore we'd fix it all next time. Didn't know we were sealing in every memory. Fences painted white again, hiding cracks and old regrets. Not to lie, but to remind. Love can heal what time forgets. If forgiveness had a color, it looks something like this. Bright enough to face the truth, soft enough to miss. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Dad drew base with an old white chalk, mailbox foul pole, don't hit the block. Tennis ball bat, cracked and light, Sunburned days till porch light night, front yard baseball dreams, big league hopes and worn out jeans, counting clouds for cheering fans, World Series in our hands. Yeah, we swung hard, we believed, front yard baseball dreams. Mama yelling, dinner's cold. One more inning, we yell back bold. Broken window, nervous grin. Grandma laughed, said, let 'em win. We were legends by supper time. Every loss still felt like mine. Front yard baseball dreams, cardboard trophies, borrowed cleats, no contracts, no TV screens, just dust, sweat, and teenage schemes. Now the grass is trimmed too neat, kids play games on glowing screens. I drive by slow, tap the brakes, hear the crowd we used to make. That bat's still hanging in the shed, jersey number Sharpie red. We swore we'd make it out someday. Funny how life chose a different play. Front yard baseball dreams still chase me when I sleep. Every swing still feels the same, even if I never played the game. Yeah, I grew up, but part of me still lives in those front yard baseball dreams. If heaven's real, I hope it seems like front yard baseball dreams. Heaven's real, I hope it seems like front yard baseball dreams. If heaven's real, I hope it seems like front yard baseball dreams. Fresh white lines in the morning sun, covering scars we can't outrun. Same old boards, different shade, fences painted white again. I walk the yard with a borrowed brush. Quiet house, but the paint smells new. Every stroke brings back a voice saying, son, some things are up to you. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over. Was plain, fences painted white again. Summer days in cut-off jeans, Dad laughed loud, Mom kept time. We drip paint on the grass, we'd fix it all next time. Didn't know we were sealing in forgiveness had a cutter. It looks something like this, bright enough to face the truth, soft enough to